Mason bees typically use tubes or cavities to lay their eggs in. These eggs will develop into larvae and eventually mature adult bees. By using a specially designed window nest, we're able to see this process throughout the different stages. In this video, I'll show you how to build a mason bee nest with a viewing window. Let's get right to it. I'll start with a basic cedar fence board and measure out 6 inches. This will be the depth of each of the nesting tunnels. Next, I'll mark out each tunnel in a row along the base of the board. I'll use the router to cut out each tunnel along the lines. I'll try to keep these as straight as possible. With the channels completed, I can cut the end of the board at 8 inches. For the viewing window itself, I'm going to use this old solar water heater cover. It is sturdy plastic, but easy enough to cut with my tin snips. To secure the window, I'll use the table saw to cut out a frame from an old cabinet sliding door. I need to leave enough material on each side to secure it with screws to the board underneath. After countersinking each hole, I'll hand tighten each screw. It's important that the viewing window sits flush with the wood beneath it, as the bees won't select a tunnel that has cracks or gaps. I've cut out an additional piece to use as a door for the viewing window. To attach it, these old hinges will work just fine after I clean them up a little. To secure the viewing window unit to the main bee house, I've created a slot using some scrap pieces I had lying around. It allows me to view the bees as they go about their tasks and lay their eggs. After a few weeks into the nesting season, we can see some bees have already begun to fill these channels. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and give our little friends a try in your backyards. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.